Have you ever wondered how some people seem to get so much done in a day, while others struggle to finish their tasks? It's like there's a secret code they've cracked, a productivity puzzle they've solved. But here's the truth, there's no secret code. Just smart strategies, techniques, and habits that boost productivity. Productivity isn't about clocking in more hours or draining yourself dry. It's about working smarter, not harder. It's about maximizing the output of your efforts and making every minute count. It's about managing your time, your tasks, and your energy in the most efficient way possible. Productivity is not a talent reserved for a lucky few. It's a skill that can be learned, practiced, and mastered. And once you do, it can revolutionize your life, your work, and everything in between. In today's video, we will uncover the top 10 productivity hacks that can transform your daily routine. So let's dive in and solve this productivity puzzle together. The first productivity hack is prioritizing your tasks. Now, this might seem obvious, but you'd be surprised how many of us overlook this crucial step. It's not just about creating a to-do list, it's about understanding the importance of each task and knowing which ones need to be tackled first. Imagine you have a box, let's call it the Eisenhower box, named after the 34th President of the United States, Dwight D. Eisenhower. This box has 4 quadrants: urgent and important, not urgent but important, urgent but not important, and neither urgent nor important. By categorizing your tasks into these quadrants, you can easily identify what needs your immediate attention, what can be scheduled for later, what can be delegated, and what can be eliminated altogether. This simple, yet effective tool can drastically enhance your productivity by enabling you to focus on what truly matters. Remember, not all tasks are created equal. Prioritize and conquer. Our second hack is the Pomodoro technique. Now here's a strategy that's as tasty as the tomato it's named after. The Pomodoro technique is a time management method that breaks your work into 25-minute intervals, each followed by a 5-minute break. These intervals are known as pomodoros, the plural in Italian of tomato. Why tomatoes, you ask? Well, the technique's inventor, Francesco Cirillo, used a tomato-shaped kitchen timer when he was a university student. But it's not just about the quirky name. The Pomodoro technique helps you maintain focus, enhance productivity, and most importantly, it prevents burnout. So how do you implement it? Simply choose a task, set a timer for 25 minutes, work until the timer rings, then take a 5-minute break. After every 4th Pomodoro, take a longer break, around 15 to 30 minutes. With the Pomodoro technique, you can break your work into manageable chunks and prevent burnout. It's time to say goodbye to prolonged work hours and hello to efficient productivity. Our third hack is making use of productivity tools. In the digital age, productivity tools are more than just handy, they're essential. Take Asana, for instance. This web and mobile app allows you to track your work and manage projects seamlessly. You can assign tasks, set deadlines, and monitor progress all in one place. Then there's Trello. Trello is all about visual organization. Create boards for different projects, add lists for various tasks, and move them around as you progress. It's like having a digital bulletin board that's accessible anytime, anywhere. And let's not forget Evernote. Evernote is your digital filing cabinet. It's a place to store and organize your notes, documents, and even web clippings. You can also share your notes with others, making collaboration a breeze. These tools, and many others like them, are designed to streamline your workflow and eliminate the clutter. Productivity tools are your allies in conquering your to-do list. Hack number 4 is eliminating distractions. Now, imagine trying to write a novel while a marching band parades through your living room. Sounds impossible, right? That's what distractions do to your productivity. They're the marching band, and your mind is the living room. A distraction-free environment is not a luxury, it's a necessity for anyone serious about boosting their efficiency. It's about creating a mental space where your focus can thrive. So, how can we minimize distractions? Start by turning off those pesky notifications. Each beep and buzz is a potential productivity killer. Next, consider using noise-canceling headphones. They're like a do not disturb sign for your ears, helping you keep the world at bay while you dive into your work. Remember, productivity is not just about doing more, but doing more without constant interruption. In the battle for productivity, distractions are your enemy. Eliminate them. The 5th productivity hack is delegating and outsourcing. This is about leveraging other people's skills and time to optimize your productivity. You see, Not all tasks require your direct input. By delegating or outsourcing tasks that others can do better or faster, you can focus on what you do best. This not only speeds up the process, but also improves the quality of work and ultimately boosts your productivity. Remember, you don't have to do everything yourself. Delegate and outsource. Our sixth hack is taking regular breaks. Now, this might seem counterintuitive, but hear me out. The human brain isn't designed for long hours of unbroken concentration. It needs short, frequent periods of rest to recharge and maintain optimal performance. Think of it like a sprinter, not a marathon runner. By taking regular breaks, you're giving your mind the time it needs to catch its breath and come back even stronger. Remember, breaks are not a waste of time. They're a productivity booster. The seventh productivity hack is keeping a clean workspace. A cluttered desk can lead to a cluttered mind. Keeping your workspace clean and organized allows you to focus on the task at hand rather than getting distracted by the mess. Think of it as a blank canvas, ready for you to create your masterpiece. It's not just about physical cleanliness, but digital too. Organize your computer files and clear your email inbox regularly. Remember, a clean workspace is a productive workspace. Our eighth hack is time blocking. It's a simple yet powerful concept. Rather than working on tasks as they come up, you set specific blocks of time for different activities. Think of it like making appointments with yourself, where each appointment is for a specific task or group of tasks. It's about managing your time effectively and not letting your day run you. It lets you focus on one task at a time, increasing your productivity. Time blocking can help you take control of your day. The ninth productivity hack is learning to say no. Often we find ourselves swamped with tasks because we're reluctant to decline any request. But remember, every yes is a no to something else. By saying no to tasks or activities that don't align with your goals or priorities, you're actually saying yes to what's truly important. It's about making conscious choices. So don't shy away from using the power of no. Saying no can free up time for the things that truly matter. Our final productivity hack is getting a good night's sleep. Never underestimate the power of rest. A well-rested mind is a productive one. Picture it like this. Sleep is the ultimate system reboot for your brain. It helps consolidate memory, enhances creativity, and recharges your energy. It's not about how long you sleep, but how well. Aim for quality over quantity. Remember, sleep isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. So make your sleep a priority and watch your productivity soar. Sleep tight, wake up productive. Let's quickly recap the productivity hacks we've learned today. We started by understanding the productivity puzzle, an enigma we all face in our daily lives. The first hack was to prioritize tasks. By identifying what is crucial and what can wait, we can better manage our time and energy. Then we dove into the Pomodoro technique, a time management method that breaks work into intervals, traditionally 25 minutes, separated by short breaks. Our third hack revolved around utilizing productivity tools. These digital assistants can help us stay organized and on track. Next, we looked into eliminating distractions. By cutting out unnecessary noise, we can maintain focus and enhance efficiency. The fifth hack was about delegation and outsourcing. It's about understanding that you don't have to do everything yourself. The importance of regular breaks followed, highlighting how they can recharge our mental batteries and keep us sharp. We then explored the value of a clean workspace. An organized environment can significantly influence our efficiency. Time blocking was the eighth hack, a strategy that involves dedicating specific hours of the day to particular tasks or activities. The penultimate hack emphasized the power of saying no. Overcommitting can lead to burnout, so it's crucial to understand our limits. Finally, we discussed the importance of sleep. A well-rested mind is a productive mind. Implement these productivity hacks in your daily routine and see the transformation in your productivity levels. Remember, productivity is not about doing more, but doing things efficiently.